Hello, students. In this part, we are going to verify Ohm's law using 3 resistors. As you can see, we have one resistor here, 100 ohms, 90 ohms, and this is the 80 ohms. Let's see, the 100 here, and this one, yeah, this one is 80 ohms, and I set this one to 80 ohms. So 80, and this would be 90, and this would be 100. Okay, and here is the power supply, and this is the ammeter. Okay, we are going to quickly collect our data. Just want to make sure that you see the setup. That's the setup over there. Power supply, ammeter, and the 3 resistors over there. So I'll be changing the voltage from 1.5 volts to 6 volts, and then you record the current. Before that, let's look at our device that we are using to measure the current. We are using this milliammeter, and the scale range we are going to use from 0 to 100 or to 50. So we are going to use the bottom scale, 0 to, let me see, yeah, 0 to 50, because the setting here, as you can see, the setting here is at 50. So we are going to use the bottom scale. Okay, so I'm going to start collecting the data. All right, the voltage right now is 1.5 volts, 1.5 volts. I hope you can see that. 1.5 volts. Looks like it's not sharp enough, but that is 1.5 volts. Then the current is as follows. I'll wait until it focuses. Okay, so that's your current. I'd like you to take note of the current. Okay, then I'll change the voltage to 3 volts. Change the voltage to 3 volts, as you can see in the power supply. And then I will record my current. So that will be the current here. Record the current. Record the current here using the bottom scale, 0 to 50. So what is the current there? And then we change the voltage to 4.5 volts. That's 4.5 volts. Then we go ahead to find our current. Remember, this is the milliammeter, the current in milliamps. Once you find that one, take note of that. We are using the bottom scale, 0 to 50. So what is that current there? What's the current reading there? And remember, in your calculations, you need to divide by 1000 to get the current from milliamps to amps. To convert from milliamps to amps, you divide by 1000. Okay, now here we move on to the last voltage gauge. So this is a 6 volts. 6 volts. This is 6 volts. And then we are going to measure our current. We are going to measure our current. The current has to be measured in milliamps using the bottom scale, 0 to 50 range, and make sure that you convert to amps when you enter your data in the table, and also when you perform the calculations. All right, I'll stop here. If you have any questions, please let me know. And again, this is the setup. That's the setup for 3 resistors, ammeter, and the power supply. All right, good luck. Bye-bye.